Welcome back to Simplish Way. This is my friend Saish.
And this is my friend Abeesha.
We are at Saish's house to do our project together. So let's get into the video. Wait. Before we get into the video, make sure to press the like button and subscribe button.
We are going to make a model of an igloo. Take a cardboard.
Our big cardboards and small ones.
Bigs and smalls and mediums.
We made a paper mache for my igloo's dome.
I'm using a bowl for my igloo's dome. And I've stuck some cotton on top of it. We are going to stick chart paper on the cardboard.
This white big chart paper. Glued on. Yeah. We have stuck our white chart on our cardboard. I put the hole for the light. Okay, now we have to stick the dome on this.
Now we have to stick this igloo's dome on the white chart paper.
Okay, so now I have to stick this entrance. So we are going to stick it right here. We stuck few cotton pads. 1, 2, 3, 4. We stuck 4. Now we are going to stick it all over the place except the dome. Stick this is impossible. Oh my god.
Now we are done sticking the entrance. We are also done sticking cotton pads to make a snowy effect.
This is the final look of my igloo, and that too I didn't mention that there's a small switch and so I can on the light. But if you on it in the dark, it look more prettier. And did you see my little polar bear?